These are the top wins and fails from the trampoline bridge event. Next up, we have a win from Gap. He sent a huge triple flip from 20 meters high, and then Milji did a back handspring to death. But that gave me the idea to try this cool trick. And then it was Yanni's turn.
Hi, buddy.
He threw my personal favorite trick of the entire weekend. Which was your favorite?